What's up, fellas? Check out this classic Indian 100. That Wizard had one of these as one of the first bikes he ever had. So he actually has Indian that actual logo is tattooed on his arm because he had a history with these Indians when he was a little kid. And did a compression test on this one, 150 psi compression. Gave it a full tune-up. Hadn't run in probably 40 years, and it fired right up. Engine's tight, but it does need a full restoration for sure. It's been sitting for a long time. Let's bring it up top. It actually kicks over, but the spring's broken, so you gotta lift it back up. We just pop started it when we rode it, but obviously this is original. It needs a little bit of love. Wizard just wanted to confirm a few things on the mechanics of it, so he cleaned the carburetor and the air filter. Air box has got the original air box on it, put a new spark plug in it, cleaned the points, and hooked up the auxiliary tank, and it fired right up, ran perfect. Well, I wouldn't say it ran perfect. It runs good, but the clutch is slipping. The transmission shifts a little bit funny, so it definitely needs a new clutch and a new kicker spring. The good news is the engine's got 150 psi compression, and it's a 50 plus year old classic, so these are highly collectible Indians. Very few of these survive in running condition to this day. Most of them are, been in the scrapyard a long time. This one was obviously parked in someone's garage for 50 years. So the front forks are also frozen in the up position. You can see there was the chrome had failed on it, so somebody sprayed an aluminum colored on there in light of the chrome being messed up. The original chrome on the bars was messed up too. So bars need re-chromed, forks need to be re-chromed, fork lowers need to be re-chromed if you're going to restore it. Tank needs to be repainted. The inside of the tank needs to be cleaned. It's got a new seat cover on it, but the seat foam needs to be replaced. Original exhaust looks to be in good condition, as does most of the cycle parts are still intact. It does have a new gold chain on it. The tires are holding air. I'm pretty sure these are the original tires on this. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure they are. But yeah, the original Cheng Shins, there should be a date code on there. So yeah, it's all there. It just needs to be restored. And again, it's going to need a clutch, kicker return spring, maybe some work on the transmission to get it shifting better. But the rest of the cycle parts are there, intact, and definitely a conversation piece. I mean, it's the kind of thing you can hang from the roof of your barn or put it on the wall in the man room. It's a classic memory time machine. If you have any questions about it, give us a call at 860-454-7024 and ship it anywhere in the country for you. And these are definitely going up in value. There's, in a restored condition, they're worth about $5,000. So there's a lot of room for some sweat equity here. This one will be sold with a lower reserve, and hopefully they'll go to a good home. Someone can take it to the next level. Thanks for watching. God bless America.